Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to cut a circle base so that we could make a mug or a cylinder shape. So here's my slab that I have, that's a rectangle. The first thing I need to do is I need to make this into a tube. So I'm going to slip and score. So first I'm going to score along my edge, just roughing up the edge. I'm going to do that to both sides. You should try to not pick up your slab very much because it stretches and you'll get an odd shape. And I will put some water in. Then I can take and stand up the slab and curl it around so that my two slipped and scored edges are touching, okay? You need to be really careful with this. It is soft clay. If I press too hard, I'm going to definitely change the shape of my cylinder. So I'm very gently going to smooth these two pieces together, either using your finger or the flat side of your nail. Then once I can't reach, once I can't reach any farther with my support hand in the middle, I'm going to flip it upside down and do the same on the other side. Because if I try to put my arm all the way down in, or my hand, it's going to make the top much wider. Okay, so now I have my cylinder. Now I'm going to put that on my slab that I've already rolled out. And then I'm going to use a tool to cut or just trace around my cylinder. Then I'm going to lift my cylinder off. Notice I use two hands so that I don't change the shape. Then I can take my tool and cut this out all the way, trying to stay right on that tracing line that I created. Right, so now I have a cylinder, and this is going to fit on top of there, but before I can smooth them together, I must slip and score. I'll score around here. Slip. Take my cylinder. So you could pick it up and score like this, or you could leave it setting like this and score on this side. Then I'm going to place this carefully on top, try to adjust it so that it's lined up. Okay, I don't want to start smoothing this up like that. That creates a rounded edge. So if I take and flip this whole thing over, I can kind of push down and then just smooth sideways. You want to make sure that this is sealed really well, otherwise you will have leaks. Try to use this as a mug. And then the last step is you could flip it back over, and I could use my tool to trim any little extra that I don't want. And then before you put it in your bag, you need to write your name and your class code on the bottom. Name and class code on the bottom.